represent Miko Marine, who has supplied this safety kit that we have chosen to have this kit on board. We will now today train with you to make sure that you are fully comfortable with all the details of the kit, that you understand the kit, how it is used, and we will walk through slowly with you the procedure to do so. So by the end of today, you are the experts on using it. That's the aim of today. So it's important that you do the job today, and our two instructors will be your guides to do so. Okay? How was it with this magnet? How should we do with this screw and this detail? You can go on this digital manual and check afterwards. And you have the print version. The print version will be one in the kit box, and I hand over to whoever you choose to receive it now. 5 exemplars. Who wants to receive this?
I can take this, so thank you.
Today will be a practical exercise where you will train. So we have taken out 0.42 in the user manual, 4.3, and 4.4. And we have put them on each papers to follow the step, so that when we go in the practical mode, we will follow each step. But please be aware that it's nothing new, nothing different. It's simply the chapters from the user manual that we have just put on separate paper. Okay? And I have 4 sets, so you must share among yourselves today in groups of 3 or 4. Okay. 20 of these magnets. They have a holding force of 450 kilo. Right? They will definitely, if you want to apply it and you have your little finger under here, it will crush your finger. So it has a safety. This is a safety which locks the handle. In order to lock it, you lift the handle and you close the magnet. And when you are out working on the hull, you can be very sure that in a stress situation, there is a danger of, when there is a havoc, that you will slam the magnet onto the surface with a finger underneath. That is a danger. And if that happens, it's not good for you. So be very careful and respectful when handling the magnets. This release is such that you can, although you will not be able to lift it. That's 400, and that's, I will be impressed if you could do that. That's 450 kilos. But it is designed, and that's pretty clever, that you can release it manually. These magnets should not be near somebody who has a pacemaker. If you have a pacemaker, it can distort the rhythm of the pacemaker. If you have a credit card, it may actually affect your credit card. If you have a mobile phone, it actually, the magnetic circuit can actually affect your mobile phone. So mobile phone, credit card, and pacemakers away from the magnet. So this is one type of magnet. Actually, to be able to break it up from the surface, you would use the hole and break it up like this. And sideways, to get it out and in of the pocket. So it's silly tools, but we have just invented it. It's just made out of regular screwdrivers, but it's kind of handy. But be very, very careful, because this is, the material is rare earth magnets, and it's neodymium. It's the strongest magnet type that is. It is very brittle. So that is important. If you are rough with these magnets, they are very costly magnets. If you are rough with them, if you slip them onto the corner, they will actually chip apart. So be very careful, both for your own safety, but also for the longevity, the durability of the magnet itself. Be very careful when you slide it in and out of the pockets, and till the end, when it is safely back into the box. Final detail, packing of the box. When you finish today, be sure that you pack them on the, what you call it, the flat end, because then you can, you see, I have it on the wrong side now, so I have to try. Then you can fit all of them into the box. So, magnet safety. Is here with provided. Okay? Questions? Thank you. Please, yeah.
These plasters have been used for several years, like this one, which is a magnetic plaster, and it's normally being used by divers. For cruise ships going into the ice, normally you don't have divers, so we wanted a system to apply it without divers. Actually initiated by one of your captains. And
okay, no? Wala yun, bakit pahirapan ang sarili mo? Wala, di ba? Technique na pala. Hindi ba ilagay na yung ganun lang? Try. Try lang, no? Ha? Kamayin na lang. Pwede kaya? Pwede. Basta hindi lang siya nakakuha. Basta malayo lang sa... Kita mo? Hindi naman pala eh. Pero kung sa Jack, siyempre, walang mesa sa Jack mo siya. Ayun. Ito kasi
too close to the ring there.
okay.
And when you roll this much, it's good to take the pull it backwards. Yes. Okay. To make it a good roll. Then you pull backwards like this. Goes all the way to the end.